Hello traders, welcome to another trading video, day trading video from the chart pattern analysis playlist. So today our subject is support and resistance. So support and resistance, these two are a foundational concept in technical analysis. Understanding what these terms mean and their practical application is essential to correctly reading a price chart. Prices move because of supply and demand, as is well known. Supply and demand controls the flow of the market in the world, everything. When demand is greater than supply, prices fall. When demand is greater than supply, prices rise. And when supply is greater than demand, prices fall. Sometimes prices will move sideways, like in a Asian market, as both supply and demand are in equilibrium. Well, equilibrium is a new word for you. I hope you kind of know what it means. Equilibrium, we're going to talk about it in future videos, of course. It means that market is in equilibrium. It means that it's a very hard word to explain well. So, like many concepts in technical analysis, the explanation and the rationality behind technical concepts are relatively easy, but mastering them in their application often takes months and years of practice. That is. So, what is support? In a downtrend, prices fall because there is an excess of supply over demand. Okay? The lower prices go, the more attractive prices become to those waiting on the sidelines to buy the shares, like banks, hedge funds, etc. At some level, demand would have been slowly increasing, will rise to the level where it matches supply. At this point, prices will stop falling. Okay? This is support, basically. I'm going to outline it here, horizontal line. The lowest the market reached, this is support. Okay, guys? Support can be a price level on the chart or a price zone like this I outlined. In any event, support is an area on a price chart that shows buyers' willingness to buy. Buyers, here is where buyers buy. Okay? It is at this level that demand will usually overwhelm supply, causing the price decline to halt, and reverse. Okay? This is for support. Let's see for resistance. So what is resistance? Resistance is basically the opposite of support. Prices move up because there is more demand than supply, and as prices move higher, there will come a point when selling will overwhelm the desire to buy. Sellers engage here at this level. This happens for a variety of reasons. It could be that traders have determined that prices are too high, too pricey, or have met their target. I mean, if buyers traded here, they have a target around this area, so market reached their target and market will reverse. Okay? It could also be the reluctance of buyers to initiate new positions at such rich and overpriced valuation. It could be for any other number of reasons, but a technician will clearly see on a price chart a level at which supply begins to overwhelm demand. This is resistance. Okay? This is resistance. Like support, it can be a level or a zone. So this is a level. What a zone is we come and add another one like here above these wicks right here. See this? This is a zone between two lines. That's a zone because this is how it works. Okay, once an area or zone of support or resistance has been identified, these price levels can serve as potential entry or exit points, because as price reaches a point of support and resistance, it will do one of two things: bounce back away from the support and resistance, or violate the price, I mean break it, like a breakout. For example, we have this resistance right here. When price reached it, it broke it. Okay, it violated it. So it will continue to go up until it hits the next support and resistance. You see it, and it bounces back. The timing of some trades is based on the belief that support and resistance zones will not be broken. Whether the price is halted by or breaks through the support and resistance, traders can bet on the direction of price and can quickly determine if they are correct or not correct. If the price moves in the wrong direction, breaks through prior support or resistance level, the position can be closed at a small loss above or below the zone. However, the move may be substantial. Sometimes you can't control it. You never control anything in the market, as you all know. So we come to time in this video to talk about the basics. Support and resistance can basically be found in all charting time periods, like daily, weekly, monthly, etc. And traders also find support and resistance in smaller time frame, like I did here on the 15-minute, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute charts as you go down. But for the support and resistance, the longer the time period, the more significant the support or resistance is. Okay, got it? The longer the time period, the more significant the support or resistance is, the more stronger. To identify support or resistance, you have to look back at the chart to find a significant pause in a price decline or rise. Okay, then look forward to see whether a price halts or reverses. Price will often hold, like range and consolidate around a zone, or it reverses as it approaches that level. Okay. Many experienced traders will pay attention to past support or resistance level and place trades in anticipation of a future reaction at these levels. But technical analysis is not an exact science, and sometimes prices will do something you're not expecting, like dip below support or break above a resistance. In each case, flexibility is required in interpreting and getting to know what these chart patterns are. This is why support and resistance level are sometimes referred to as zones. You have to be flexible, okay? There's nothing magical about these price levels. It is simply that many markets participates many markets participants are acting off the same information and placing trades at similar levels of support and resistance, etc. Most experienced traders can share stories about how the price of an asset tends to halt when it gets to a certain level. For example, assume that I was holding a position in a stock from March to November, and that I was expecting the value of the sharp prices we have here. 12 minutes.